So we are here in Mumbai and we are here at the Marine Drive of Mumbai. You can see behind me the beautiful city of Mumbai, the Wankhede Stadium right behind us and the Marine Drive. And we are here just a day ahead of the big BMC election in Mumbai. And this is an election which is very keenly watched because this is an election also happening after a long gap of almost 9 years. Who will win the BMC crown is the $1 million question here. I am here, Aman Sharma, along with my colleagues, Yesha Kotak, Mayuresh Ganpate, who have been covering the Mumbai election very closely for us. I also have very fiery women spokespersons with us today. I have Susiben Shahji, the advocate and spokesperson of the Shiv Sena, and I have a former mayor amidst us, Nirmala Samantji, who has seen it all and is the spokesperson of the NCP Sharad Pawar faction, and we'll come to them. Before that, the big story which is emerging just 24 hours before the BMC polls is the big comment of Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut. Sanjay Raut has put out the Rajya Sabha MP of the Shiv Sena UBT, giving out this appeal to the Marathi Manus of Mumbai, saying hai ek hai to safe hai, and he's appealing to the Marathi Manus that we all need to be together. That is why we'll only be safe, and this is something that has been a stream in this election where the new alliance and the brothers coming together, Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray, have been appealing to the Marathi Manus to come together in this election. This is their big trump card, as many say, in this election. And Sanjay Raut's comment now, ek hai to safe hai, is generating much excitement here in Mumbai. And what this really means in political sense, well, earlier they had attacked the BJP when during the general elections Narendra Modi and Yogi Adityanath had said ek hai to safe hai, but now the shoe is on the other foot and the BJP is saying this is sheer hypocrisy. So Yesha and Mayuresh, Yesha, when we speak of this new slogan, what do you think Sanjay Raut is going to do just few hours before Mumbai casts its ballot?
Let's understand the whole context of why this is coming in less than 24 hours before Mumbai can cast the ballot. When we saw both the brothers coming in, there was this big poster right outside Sena Bhavan speaking about the Batenge Katenge narrative, which was calling out to the North Indians, stating that if you get divided in this election, then you will have to face the brunt later on. Now, as a response to that, we see Sanjay Raut responding now. But what's also important is both the Thackeray brothers have been constantly calling out to Marathi Manus, asking them to stay united. But as a response to that, just the second day after this rally took place, we also saw a rally of Mahayuti taking place, wherein Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister, and Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde were on stage. And clearly, as a response to that narrative, calling all the Marathis to come together, the CM debunked that narrative, saying that it was just a narrative and there was absolutely no threat to any Marathi Manus in Mumbai. Now, clearly, when we see that this is a do-or-die situation, when we speak of both the Thackeray cousins, they've come together in the pretext that this is an election that will shape what their future really looks like, because we don't really know what next. There was this whole buzz after the whole Marathi versus Hindi debate, and then we saw them coming together. There was this buzz, and that's where now the future is after BMC elections, whether they stay together, whether they not stay together. So this is like a do-or-die moment, and that's where we see Sanjay Raut putting out that ek hai to safe hai narrative.
And Mayuresh, this is like an existential crisis for, in a way, both the brothers. You know, they have come together. There is no secret about it. They have come together to be together because they want BMC is what really matters to them. Just maybe the last throw of the dice. So Sanjay Raut's comment, is it also becoming, Mayuresh, a lot of Marathi Manus versus Hindutva in this election?
Absolutely, Aman, because if you have to see this, because earlier elections, there was always a division between the Marathi votes, between Shiv Sena, whether it's divided, undivided, and MNS. But now when both the Thackeray brothers have united, that's why they are appealing that the Marathi Manus should also unite and vote for their alliance. And as you said, it's kind of a last attempt from the Shiv Sena, because somewhere, if we see that right now also people are showing their anger in last 25 years, nothing significant has happened. They are raising the questions of potholes, they are raising the questions of roads also. So somewhere the questions have been raised against the Uddhav Thackeray led Shiv Sena, who was ruling the BMC for 25 years. No doubt BJP was part of it and BJP was sharing the power. But majorly the questions have been raised, and that's why when the brothers have united, as you said, it's not only the brothers or the parties, but they have portrayed it on during that particular press conference that both the families have reunited, and that's why they are appealing that all the Marathi Manus across the Mumbai should reunite and vote for them. That is the last appeal.
Well, I'll come back to both of them because they have been covering the election very closely from the ground. Suspenji, this comment which has come from today from Sanjay Raut, is it desperation? How do you see this?
They're running scared, simply put. But anyway, thank you for having me on your show, and wish you everyone all Indians a very happy Makar Sankranti, a happy Lohri, and a happy Bihu to all of them. Let us celebrate the festival season of India together as one, as Mumbaikar, as Maharashtra. Now, having said that, the people of Maharashtra, the people of Mumbai, more than once have reinforced and said that we are with Mahayuti. We are with the Marathi Manus who is for them. Look at the Nagar Parishad and Nagar Palika elections. They've been with us, Vidhan Sabha elections. And what do you think? Eknath Raoji Shinde is not a Maharashtrian. He is not a Marathi Manus. He is not the son of the soil. Devendra Fadnavis ji, he is not a Marathi Manus. So therefore, this is a desperate call for survival. Their survival, also their survival of their sons. The family has come together. The ideology of Bala Sahib Thackeray is not to come together. So as the Mahayuti, as the Shiv Sena, we stand here today for every Mumbaikar, for every Marathi Manus to have a safe, secure, livable Mumbai and an inclusive Mumbai. We believe in a Mumbaikar. Who is a Mumbaikar according to us? He is a Marathi Manus, no doubt. But who is a Marathi Manus? Which every single person living in Mumbai, for whom maybe not the birthplace, but the Karmabhumi, the Annapurna is Mumbai. They contribute to the 70,000 crore budget of Mumbai, and therefore their welfare is the prime focus of this Mahayuti government of Shiv Sena. Also, I'm not running away. This Mumbai belongs to Maharashtra, belongs to Maharashtrians, and belongs to Marathi. No one can take it away. Marathi mayor, Marathi Hindu will be the mayor of Mumbai. But in the same breath, I see no conflict between all other people, all other Indians, irrespective of the caste, creed and community staying in Mumbai. We live together, we grow together, and we protect India, Mumbai together.
Nirmala ji, you have been a former mayor of Mumbai. Do you think people of Mumbai are more bothered about the mayor being a Hindu, a Muslim, or Marathi should unite, or are people of Mumbai more concerned about the main issues, potholed roads of Mumbai, the electricity situation, the water situation, the infrastructure situation? We here in Delhi that Mumbai is always dug up. Anywhere you go in Mumbai, it's always dug up. Do you think that impacts people more, or these issues?
See, Mumbai is a cosmopolitan city, ultimately. People of all caste, creed, race and religion, and poor, middle class, lower middle class, extremely poor, people from slums, they stay together. So everybody has different mindset and different issues and different priorities. But to summarize the whole thing, there are 2-3 very, very important issues. One is that you were talking about these two brothers are coming together. Let me remind you that just 1 year back, there were elections and all MP elections were won by us, except Piyush Goyal. So that shows that Mumbai is in whose favor? It is only because now among the Mahavikas Aghadi, I have not disturbed you.
No, please go ahead. One by one, please.
Yeah, last 6 out of 6 member of parliament election, 5 were won by Mahavikas Aghadi. That shows what Mumbaikas want and wanted at parliament, and they also wanted here in city. But only thing, because of betrayal politics, Gaddari, and then no morals, no values, no, I get disturbed.
No, it's okay.
And this is a contractor driven, ultimately, the government.
The Gaddari comment that she's
the
making.
Gaddari comment. I will prove it. It's a Gaddari only. He was just an auto driver. He is made deputy chief minister. Who gave him the identity? That we'll see later on. No, you can counter me later on. But let me express my views. If you don't like it, you can cut off me. We both are lawyers. When we argue before the court, you get a time by the judge. So please listen to me. And this is a contractor-driven government. They show all that, but it's ultimately contractor-driven. And most important thing is that so much violence and distribution of public money, the taxpayer money. This is not an election, first of all. This is just a model to win the election by using government money, by taxpayer money, by Ladki Bahin, and they are expert in managing the election. Therefore, people have undercurrent. they have undercurrent that everybody understand whatever BJP and Shinde Sena is doing is totally wrong. Number one.
That's a very big allegation. I'll just come back to that.
No, one
Just
minute,
hold your
one
thought.
minute, 1 minute. Another thing which which has a Marathi Manus, yes, there is undercurrent that it's not only Shiva Sena, two brothers are thinking. Two brothers thought that it's a voice of the people of Maharashtra, Mumbai, that these people should not fight. If these people fight, BJP will, take the pie. And that is because of people's mandate, people's mindset. It was necessary to come together, not to divide the
Necessary
Marathi.
to come together, ma'am. Sujbenji, she's
It
saying,
was
she's
necessary.
saying basically Mr.
And-
Eknath Shinde, just a minute, ma'am. She's just saying that Eknath Shinde was a very small part of the, the original Sena. He was an auto driver. Now the two brothers are coming together. They are reclaiming the legacy of for Balasaheb Thackeray. That is what Nirmala ji is trying to hint at.
I will tell you, I should be allowed to rebut point by point.
Please.
Right? Now the first point. Who's talking about Mumbai? A party which has no existence in Mumbai? Manase, which has less than 2% vote in Mumbai? They are talking about welfare of Mumbai. I think they don't know what is Mumbai. They have no stakes here. So I think that is the first beginning point. Now as far as we are extremely proud that our DCM, Deputy Chief Minister, and our Mukhya Neta, Eknath Shinde, is risen from the soil, risen as a grassroots worker, from a rickshaw worker today to the Chief Minister. What is wrong? This is the festival of democracy, where every Indian, every Maharashtrian has a chance to grow as long as...
So no dynasty politics is driven
Not
from the
at
ground.
all, not at all. It is the Sanjay Raut, the princes of the so-called family coming together, talking about being a disqualification, being a rickshaw son. I think
It's
we
a-
take great pride.
Okay, just
Allow
let
me
her
to
complete the
complete.
point, yes, sir.
As about Mumbai is concerned, for 25 years, 25 long years, the UPT has ruled the BMC. It was complete corruption, the Raj. Saheb used to call the shots. Yes, BJP was along with them, but it had the outside support. Now she being a mayor, she knows that the people who run the finances of the BMC is the improvement committee chairman and the standing committee chairman. Both these chairmen were from Ubata. They had a complete license Raj, commission Raj, and therefore time has come where people should stand with the Marathi Manus. Since 1964, from the birth of Shiv Sena, what was the clarion call? We are for the Marathi Manus. We are in 2026, and today the same thing. What did you do for all these years? For more than 55 years, still Marathi Manus? Marathi Manus today is seeing. What is the biggest problem according to me? I being a Mumbaikar, born, bred here, and my Karma Bhumi, my Annapurna is Mumbai, is home. We have resolved that 40 lakh home for every son of the soil, for the Bhumi Putra, for the Marathi Manus, whether it be the Girini Kamgar, whether it be the Safai Kamgar, whether it be the police of Mumbai, whether it be the slums of Mumbai. It was Hindu Hriday Samrat Bandaniya Balasaheb Thackeray's Brihdavakya. He always believed that slum-free Mumbai, we are going to ensure that by in this 5 years, where Mahayuti's mayor will be there, we'll have a slum-free Mumbai. Now people of Mumbai, except having this jibe and creating a rhetoric of Marathi Manus, they've seen through it. They want growth, they want development, they want vikas, and that is what Mahayuti promises.
So Subenji, one point I'd like to ask you. That we saw the Vidhan Sabha election result, complete sweep. And at that time it was said that Mr. Eknath Shinde has effectively reclaimed, the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray. He is the one who's seen as the real Shiva Sena, and you won the case in court also. What is different in this election, if I submit that, is that both the brothers coming together. There is some nostalgia value in Mumbai about the two brothers coming together, the families coming together, sharing a stage, bearing their differences. Yes, this is a big battle for them. But don't you think at the end of the day, a party and an entity, I would say, Uddhav Thackeray, who's ruled the BMC for so long, people have that emotive value, people will have that sympathy value also maybe?
You see, this is a democracy. We have no problem if two families come together. If two warring cousins come together, we have no problem. Why they drifted apart 20 years ago is also the question that Maharashtra is asking, Mumbaikar is asking. Why there was no Marathi Manus, there was no Marathi Asmita 20 years ago? No. But as you rightly said, it's a matter of relevance, it is a matter of their existence that they have come together, and the call that Mr. Raut has made may be a clarion call, but it's a divisive call. Mumbai today is of all caste, creed and community living together in peace. We all are Mumbaikars and we are extremely
She
proud.
does have a point in that when she says that it's a divisive call, because when BJP made it earlier in the general elections,
I will answer it.
the opposition criticized it saying this divisive. How is this not divisive, ma'am?
I will answer it because it is not a divisive call. There is a stomach pain because they are having a lot of pain in their stomach because they have come together to avoid that as much possible the division of vote. As much possible, therefore they are actually worried and therefore they are actually misleading the people ki this is a divisive call. It is not so. See, Rome was not built in a day. So Mumbai was not built in only by the recent people who have come. It's not a 25-30 years history. It is a long legacy. One should understand that one. Secondly, there are 105 Hutatmas. There are martyrs, 105 people who were shot dead. And that Hutatma Chowk is there. Most of them were Marathi Manus. So people have that kind of, patriotic feeling that Mumbai should remain in Maharashtra. Maharashtra's Mumbai aahe, and there is a secret and open plan to take all the legacy, all the importance from Mumbai to Gujarat. So people have understood why, and everything people are seeing how only 1 or 2 families are getting benefited, how the contractors and how the people are actually given. Those Britishers, were given by that. Similarly, if each and every belt is given and infrastructure is made such a way that slowly that Mumbai Manus will have no voice. And I'm saying that Mumbaikar, which Mumbaikar includes not only Marathi Manus, but Samanya Manus. The common man also, I think, is a Mumbaikar. I know so many people who are not Maharashtrian. They believe, no, Mumbai belongs to Marathi Manus. Mumbai belongs to them also.
Achha, I want to ask you something
Mumbai
about your
belongs
party.
to everybody.
One question about your party.
Yes.
That your party doesn't ally with Mr. Ajit Pawar in Mumbai, but allies in another in Pune. Why this is the election is also a lot about marriage, political convenience marriages?
1 minute, 1 minute. See, now our point is different. And I am looking after the Mumbai elections and all that. If we talk on this, then we will go in a different directions.
Yeah, I'm just saying that there is a coming together of the Pawars also in a way in this election. We are seeing that, not just the Thackeray brothers.
Matter of convenience.
See, matter of convenience more for BJP. See,
Sustain power.
Hunger, power, betrayal, Gaddari, managing CBI, CID is your legacy.
Not at all.
It's your legacy,
We are
so
firmly
don't
on a
teach.
saddle with the mandate of the
Don't-
people.
don't
we
teach.
are here today. with the
Violation
mandate of the
of-
people. People have voted for us. It is the democracy values,
Saying-
democratic values that
saying-
you also must salute.
saying
and adhere
loudly-
and accept it.
Please complete your point.
Saying
Yes.
loudly.
Gaddar and all that,
Of- see.
people have seen through it. It has not jailed for 2.5 years.
Madam,
Nothing has
Dhanushaban-
happened. We are firmly on the-
Dhanushaban is
legally
taken by
given to
you.
us by the Supreme
See,
Court.
it will
The
go
problem
in a
is
different
that
way.
You
It-
don't
in-
believe in any
it will-
institution.
it
You
will-
don't believe in election commission.
See, it
you
will-
don't believe in the Supreme
it will
Court.
go in a
You don't
different
believe in the
directions
High
if you
Court.
talk
Yes,
like
let
that.
her complete her point.
Yeah.
I'm coming back to you.
If
ma'am.
we
What
will,
is to be done?
we will go in a different directions if you go, because this is not a parliament election which is over. This is not a state election which is over. What I am going to summarize is that this is basically no elections. Because people, they have purchased the votes by giving Ladki Bahin. They have given all the money belong to you and me, taxpayers, to vote. Everybody knows this. And there is a poverty.
Manifesto
There is
written
a
that we are going
poverty.
to give the
There is,
domestic workers
there is,
2,100
there
rupees.
is,
Why are you running away
but-
from it?
Yes, ma'am.
But what I'm saying that these elections are no election, and people feel that their right to vote is already withdrawn. Before that also they settled and
Is
did
this,
this one.
is this in a way
People
an
also feel
admission
that
of
this
which way
is,
the
yeah.
election will go, because he's already saying votes have been purchased
Yeah.
and this election is no
Not at all.
election.
Yes, of
I think
course.
it is. I do believe
You
that
see.
this election should be fair and fair.
Yeah.
Now, just because two wrongs does not make it right. Now, yesterday we filed a complaint with the returning officer in Worli in 193, where Aditya Thackeray is the MLA. There were monies were distributed. We complained with the returning officer. I'm sure action will be taken. So just because it is UBT, just because it is BJP, just because it is Shiv Sena, to make statements from a person, from a party who has no relevance in Mumbai. And she was talking about the MPs. Now you know, you are journalists, you
Ma'am,
know the number game. You've analyzed it.
I take-
Allow me to complete. You've analyzed everything. It is only and only because of the votes of a particular community that they have won the election. The Marathi Manus have clearly given their mandate that the legacy of Hindu Hriday Samrat Bala Saheb Thackeray is with Shiv Sena. The real Shiv Sena with the Dhanusha Ban is our Deputy Chief Minister Shri Eknath Raoji Shinde. Today again you will see in Mumbai, we are son of the soil. We work with the people, not just creating frenzy, creating rhetorics. You know what is the job? Tomra. I think the Tomra says everything. Just to issue barbs against people. Do they have in their manifesto a single progressive point?
Just one thing,
She
ma'am.
was talking
So, Sivanji-
about, last,
हाँ.
1 second. She was talking about Ladki Behan. In their own manifesto, they've written that if we come to power, which is a distant reality, but anyway, if we come to power, we will give every domestic worker 2,100 rupees. Now, what is that? What is that? So therefore, just to make statements which are misleading, misinformed, is not correct.
So-
Mumbai will see through it.
So do you think that Eknath Shinde, he may not be the chief minister, is now the deputy chief minister, but the Ladli Behan Yojana, which was in many ways his brainchild, he still has goodwill for it amongst the people?
Absolutely. You won't believe.
Naturally,
Eknath Raoji
on
Shinde
that only they are
did Sanman
casting.
done to this women.
Kai ka
These
Sanman?
women like you and me.
You are taking
toiled the
taxpayers'
whole day,
money.
Look after the family.
You are
Create value
taken- you are
system for
taken
the
tax-
family.
don't talk of
Saying that
value.
That money only is
Value
shifting votes
system.
to
That
us.
is
We
a
should be
taxpayer
proud.
money,
Yes,
not your
and
money.
I'm very proud that all of us together are coming together to give Sanman. to
Shinde is not
prestige,
selling
to
his land.
homemakers,
Let her
To
complete.
homemakers. I mean, I'm
Uncle,
very, very proud that this money is well utilized by this government to give it to women who struggle the whole day to ensure that the family stays together, the values enshrined to them, which is a thankless job. She will agree. But we, as the Mahayuti government, have realized that we have to put some value to the toil, to the work that they do. And that is why we don't call payment, we call it Sanman Dhan. It is
Samman
what
Dhan has
is-
been given.
Sanman Dhan, and will
Sanman
continue.
Dhan.
Will continue at least for the next 4 years where we are in power, and anyone dare not remove it because this Ladki Bahen.
Ma'am, taking
One
off from
minute, yeah.
what is wrong in women getting money like, at the end of
See,
the day?
I'll tell you, women getting money. I'm telling you, 4 years they did not take election. What is wrong? Why they were so, so much what she's talking, all so much thing. If that is true, why they got scared of taking election? Because they knew that they will lose. It is not. 1 minute. Before that also 9 years. After 9 years, election is going. See, decoratively speaking
No,
and
no.
refuting doesn't,
She's
go
a
away from
distinguished lawyer.
where
I don't know why
doesn't go away from the reality. The reality is that they are snatching everything.
The matter of
Bala
spending
Saheb
in the court,
Thackeray,
it
1
was
minute.
first on the OBC
Bala
reservation.
now
Then
we
That is one by one. We won't be able to hear anybody.
Yes,
Yeah.
please go ahead.
Bala Saheb, snatching away Bala Saheb Thackeray, snatching away Dhanush Shaban,
rightfully
taking
ours.
1 minute.
No.
We know what is Supreme Court and we know what is
Of
Election
course,
Commission.
you are a
Everybody
practicing lawyer,
knows.
so am I.
And how you have managed that speaker also. Everybody knows everything, ma'am. As a lawyer, even you speak, the truth
I'm
remains
so
truth
Good,
only.
good,
1
okay,
minute.
okay.
1
The
minute.
spokesperson
I
has
have not
spoken.
not
Okay, ma'am, just sum up,
completed.
please.
I have not
Sum up,
completed.
please. Sum up,
I
please.
I have not completed.
Please.
What I am trying to say that this is a stage managed election. This taxpayer money has gone such a way that exactly the elections come and they just wait. They are good managers, I can say. They know how to manage, how to illegally manage.
So to sum up, ma'am,
How
I will just-
how
I
to
will just-
illegally manage,
I will
how
just say
to
two
take
things.
illegal
I will
things,
just say two
how
things.
to
1
finish,
second, I
and
will
now
just-
also they want to finish off our taxpayer money, which is that they have an eye over the budget of the Mumbaikars, and that is why Marathi man
Let her respond.
they
Let her
want
respond.
mayor and all
Okay.
just to eat that money,
I'm
nothing
rather
else.
Last word from you.
I'm
Last
rather
word.
surprised
Last word.
and aghast at the misinformation that my learned friend, my learned friend because she herself is an advocate, is trying to spread. She very well knows, and every Mumbaikar knows. And if they don't know, they should know. Then the election got delayed because the matter was pending before the Honorable Supreme Court on two occasions. One was for the OBC reservation, and secondly, when the wards was again delimitation was done. It was this UBT. It is not a Shiv Sena. It is UBT which went to Supreme Court to again ask for the delimitation to be changed. And that was the reason the election was pending. Number one. Number two, it should be very, very clearly heard, very loud and crisp that Dhanushya Ban has been given to us by the Election Commission, which has been further ratified by the Supreme Court. The matter is still pending. It is not. So Dhanushya Ban, as of today, is rightfully with the Shiv Sena where it belongs.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
therefore,
That
let
is
us not
a
spread
fiery
wrong information.
response from both our spokespersons. I'll take it the last word from Mayuresh and Yesha. Yesha, you heard both the spokespersons. This is how fiery the BMC election is. Do you think this Marathi Manus versus Hindutva, who has the real legacy of the Balasaheb Thackeray, will be decided in this election?
Absolutely, Aman, because clearly this election, as much as it's marked with confusion, it's also an election people really want to watch out for. Because when we speak of Mahayuti, we speak of Mahavikas Aghadi. When they both came in together, now of course they're also going in split. So that's an interesting point as to see who calls in the last shot. What's also important is the Thackeray cousins, which had split earlier, they've come back together. Pawar family just split, they've come back together. So here a lot of questions, a lot of maybes, a lot of confusion. Of course, the equations have changed as compared to the Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha elections. Lok Sabha clearly went in the favor of Mahavikas Aghadi, Vidhan Sabha went in favor of Mahayuti. Now, the whole Latki Bahin, the development agenda, will that work for Mahayuti? Something that needs to be seen. Also, does Thackeray magic really work in for the Mahavikas Aghadi? That's also something that only the BMC election results will answer.
And a season of reunions, Mayuresh, so that is I think from taking off that point and what our spokesperson was also saying, will the Thackeray magic work one last time? This time, because they've not worked earlier, but both coming together, do you think there is an emotion amongst the people of Mumbai for the Thackeray brothers coming
That was
together?
the wish which Balasaheb Thackeray had expressed 20 years or more than 20 years back. And since Raj Thackeray parted his way, many attempts were made from the party workers, party leaders to reunite these two brothers. But this is happening after 20 years. But one more point I just want to add. None of the political parties should talk about the dynastic politics because everyone has given ticket to their own kins and relatives. And second thing, the question have been raised against Mr. Eknath Shinde also because he doesn't belong from Mumbai. He is from Thane. So that is also another question. But as you said, the Marathi card will be played and this fight is more of a Shinde versus Thackeray instead of BJP or Mahayuti versus Thackeray. It's of a cousins versus Shinde.
And exactly, there are 87 seats in Mumbai election this time, where the Uddhav Thackeray MMS faction is pitted directly against Mr. Eknath Shinde. That could actually be the make or break in this election, isn't it?
Absolutely, because as you mentioned out about these 87 seats, if you see the most of the seats of MNS, they are against the BJP. So it's a direct fight between Thackeray's and Shinde, and as even Susiben said that it will decide who has got the real legacy because right now the score is 1-1 because Lok Sabha had went for the Mahavikas Aghadi where the Vidhan Sabha election had gone for the Mahayuti, but this election is a very crucial one because here the corporator is a person with whom everyone is in daily touch. So that matters. Whoever will work for the people or whoever has worked for the people definitely get the vote this time.
Whoever will work for the people will definitely get the vote. Is this election more about Marathi Manus or about development? Do people care more about the potholed roads of Mumbai and the infra, or is this election more about the emotive aspect of the Thackeray brothers coming together? Well, we are closely following this election from Mumbai.